import of motor vehicles from India into the EU increased by more than 160%. This comes from the fact that in 2009, Suzuki, Hyundai, and Nissan made India a hub for overseas sales in minicars. And this increased EU imports from India, but also total EU imports of these kinds of cars were fostered by the European cash for clunkers programs during the economic crisis. What is especially interesting to see is that the Tata car sales in Italy have risen significantly in that year as well. The figure on the right again shows the sectors or the industries in which the embedded emissions originate. In all countries, again, the electricity sector is the sector with the highest emissions along the production chain of motor vehicles. This is followed by iron and steel, which is one of the primary materials used in cars, as well as rubbers and plastics products. Of course, the transport sector itself and also the motor vehicle sector are important along the production chain. Since China plays a quite significant role in consumption-based emissions, or as a source of consumption-based emission, we've had a closer look along which production chains the emissions actually occur. In 2010, of those emissions emitted in China that are driven by EU demand, half are embodied in